This guy is about to face his biggest fear in an unexpected way. While hiking, he heard the terrifying sound of ice cracking behind him, and when he turned around, he saw a giant avalanche headed straight his way. What happens next might be one of the craziest things I've ever seen, because little did the guy know the avalanche was coming much faster than expected, and with a 50-foot drop behind him, he had nowhere to run.
Oh God. Oh dear God.
So with only one choice left, he ducked for cover. He survived with no injuries.